Hi. From all the fans from Bengal, wish you a very happy birthday with loads and loads of love.
Thank you very much.
Continuation to his question, I just ask you that you have just spoken about intolerance in the country and बहुत लोगों ने जैसे बोले national award return कर दिया. You have won many awards, international, national as well. But when it comes to national awards like Padma Shri, you have won Padma Shri. And if you have been asked in one line, can you just tell, are you willing to give it back?
No, baby. Nobody can ask me to give away anything that I don't want to give. Very, very clearly. I think symbolically, when some of the people have done that, I think they've not only been brave, I think they've been very magnanimous. They are making a comment very clearly that, listen, I don't believe creativity can be subjugated to for any reason. But having said that, fully respecting them, and I think it's a great gesture. As far as I'm concerned, if I'm called upon to talk about, the freedom of creativity in context with what is happening, I would rather take a stand, talk about it, go for if all of us have to be together, I'm together with that. I think it's the right thing to do, but I don't think symbolically I'm going to do that. I'm not questioning them. I know Anupam ji feels, and the beauty of tolerance in the Hindi film industry is कि दो तबके हैं, कि दिवाकर भी हैं और अनुपम जी भी हैं और मधुर भंडारकर भी हैं, but they all feel they can talk and discuss and give their point of view. Tolerance in a country means giving your point of view. And in the film industry or any creative field, there is कि हम डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. इसमें ये नहीं है कि वो उनके अगेंस्ट हैं कि उनके साथ हैं, बट सिम्बॉलिकली इट्स फैंटास्टिक. मेरी सिर्फ यही दुआ है और होप है कि जो सिम्बलिज्म उन्होंने शुरू किया है उससे काम बेहतर हो जाए, उससे कुछ ना कुछ सॉल्व हो जाए. एज फार एज यू आस्किंग मी, आई एम ऑल फॉर फ्री क्रिएटिविटी, बट मैं उसके लिए अवार्ड दूँ, ये दूँ, मेरे पास नेशनल अवार्ड ही नहीं है. पहले मुझको अवार्ड दो, फिर उसके बाद वापस करूँगा मैं.